My brother asked me for help with his wedding, but I found out he was cheating on his fiancée. I've always been very close to my brother Daniel. When he asked me to help with the preparations for his wedding, I agreed with pleasure. But something didn't feel right. During our meetings, Daniel seemed more and more distracted. One day, while we were organizing the details, his phone rang, and by accident, it was left on the table. Driven by curiosity and a gut feeling, I glanced at the screen. It was a message from a girl that read, "I miss you, darling. Shall we meet tonight?" I froze. I never imagined that my brother, about to get married, was cheating on his fiancée with someone else. I didn't know what to do. Should I tell Laura, his fiancée, or confront Daniel? I thought about what might happen if I did, but at the same time, I didn't want to be complicit in his lie. The worst part was realizing that he never considered what all this could mean for his relationship. Moreover, I felt caught between my loyalty to him and my duty to be honest with the girl who was about to marry him. How could I tell Laura that her future husband wasn't what he seemed? What would you do in my place?